Assalamualaikum. My name is Kinza Javed and today I am here to present a topic quality by design in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Table of content, introduction, principles of quality by design, steps, the objective of quality by design, key elements of quality by design, chronological order of quality based product development. Quality by design applications in pharmacy and pharmaceutical science. Biler tablet, advantages of quality by design. Conclusion. References. Introduction. The concept of quality by design states that quality cannot be tested into products. Quality should be built by design. Dr. Joran is credited with creating the idea of quality by design. According to Dr. Joran, quality should be built into a product from the start, and most quality crises and issues originate from poor product design. The quality by design is described as a systematic approach to development that begins with established objectives and stresses product and process understanding and process control based on strong science and quality risk management. To improve robust production processes, facilitate product quality, and create product in accordance with Six Sigma, the concept of quality by design has been developed in pharmaceutical business. According to several experts, the prospects for applying quality by design to analytical methods are comparable to those for production process. The analytical quality by design assists in the development of a trustworthy and reasonably priced analytical method that is relevant across the life cycle of the product in order to enhance the regularity in the analytical approach. It refers to the ability to modify a method's parameters anywhere in its design space, also known as the method appurable design region. Principles of quality by design. Risk and knowledge-based decisions, systematic approach for process development, continuous improvement leads to capable processes. Steps. The advantage of quality by design. Pharmaceutical quality by design is a methodical approach to development that emphasizes both process and product comprehension and control based on solid science and quality risk management. The following objectives of pharmaceutical quality by design may be present: establishing clinical performance-based meaningful product quality specification to increase process capability and minimize product variability and faults by improving product process design, understanding and control; to boost productivity in product development and production; to improve post-approval change management and root cause analysis experts. The procedure should be improved after receiving regularity approval to decrease product variability, flaws, rejection, and recalls. Product design and development are done systematically with quality by design. As a result, it improves formulation, design, development speed, and capabilities. Additionally, it moves resources from an upstream proactive mode to a downstream corrective way. It enhances the manufacturer's capacity to pinpoint the underlying reasons behind manufacturing failures, therefore improving manufacturing and product development efficiency in pharmaceutical quality by design's third goal. Key elements of quality by design. In pharmaceutical quality by design strategy for product innovation, a claimant identifies qualities that are crucial to quality, changes them into the critical quality attributes of the drug product, and identifies the association between formulation, manufacturing factors, and critical quality attributes to ensure the patient will receive medication product with these critical quality attributes. The elements that make up quality by design are as follows: a quality target product profile that lists the drug product's crucial quality attributes to support drug labeling and drug development efforts. Target product profile describes the necessary profile of a drug product. target product profile lists the intended applications, target pace of administration, and other key product characteristics together with quality design for a drug product. The phrase quality target product profile for product quality may be a logical extension of target product profile. The quality target product profile is a crucial document that enables the rationalization and evaluation of the data that is not inheritable throughout the drug lifespan. To affirm the targeted quality, a prospective outline of the attributes of quality for a drug product that will be reached while taking into account the safety effectiveness of the targeted product is provided. Indefinite quantity, type, strength, instrumentation, closure system, identity, indefinite quantity, type, purity, and stability are also included in quality target product profile. The quality target product profile is a possible list of the characteristics of a drug product that should be maintained in order to ensure that it is of the desired quality, in addition to the safety and efficiency of the medicinal product. The quality target product profiles serve as a design framework for creating the product. To ensure the required product quality, a crucial quality attributes should be within appropriate limits. Clinical safety and efficiency, manufacturing attributes and parameters, boundaries, approach, edge of failure are examples of quality attributes. A drug product quality may or may not be essential. The severity of the patient harm determines how critical of an attribute it is. The criticality of an attribute is unaffected by the probability of occurrence, detectability, and controllability. Product design and understanding, including the identification of critical and material attributes. Clinical research confirms that the product design impact whether it can satisfy patient needs. Stability studies which corroborate this showed that product design also affects whether a product can retain its performance throughout its shelf life. This kind of product insight might have avoided some historical stability breakdowns, creating a high quality product that can deliver the necessary quality target product profile over the duration of its shelf life is the primary goal of the product design understanding. Designing a product can take many different directions because it is so open-ended. The following are crucial components of product design and comprehension. The drug substance, physical, chemical, biological characterization, determining and selecting the excipient kind and grade, as well as being aware of the inherent excipient variability, connections between drug and excipients, formulation optimization and critical quality attributes identification for both excipients and the medical substance. CMAs differ from crucial quality attributes in that they are used for input materials such excipients and drug ingredient. Crucial quality attributes, on the other hand, apply to output materials like completed drug product and product intermediates. Process design and comprehension includes identifying critical process parameters and having a solid grasp of scale-up principles that connect CMAs and CPPs to critical quality attributes. When all significant causes of variation are recognized and explained, variability is controlled by the process and product quality attributes can be predicted with reasonable accuracy. A process is often regarded as being well understood. The input operating parameters like mixing time, stirring speed, etc. of unit operation are called process parameters. A process parameter should be monitored or managed to guarantee that the process yield the desired quality when variability affects the crucial quality feature. The formation of a control plan with 3 tiers of controls as follows is the result of the knowledge gathered from properly structured development study. Chronological order of quality-based product development. Target product profile, quality target product profile, critical quality attributes, identification of CMA and CPPs, does and design space implementation, process analytical technology and scale up, control strategy, conformance manufacturing, continued process verification, risk assessment, quality by design applications in pharmacy and pharmaceutical science. Biler tablet. The concept of quality by design applied to biler tablet development in the early stages leads to the multivariate approach comprising a number of formulation attributes and processing parameters compared to conventional approach. The levels of binder, filler, and plastic exhibiting material were identified as critical formulation parameters of drug release from the biler tablet. Furthermore, process parameters such as the pre-compression force, main compression force, and third rotation speed have a critical impact on layer adhesion. The quality by design based concept has led to remarkable progress in developing biler tablets containing different drugs at different doses and release dates. As a breakthrough using NIR and Raman spectroscopy as process analytical technologies, quality by design was revealed to be effective for the scale up of biler tablet containing a low drug dose in the IR layer to control the active ingredient content in an individual layer. Advantages of quality by design. Quality by design help in providing safer, quality and more efficient drug product. Quality by design helps in safer and faster drug development. The quality by design approach sets the production team up for success by providing a clear and comprehensive understanding of the parameters involving in the development process and how they work together. This deep understanding helps team assess risk and act accordingly, significantly reducing the likelihood of failure. It provides a proper understanding of critical process parameters and critical material attributes and their effect on the final quality of the drug product. Using quality by design helps companies achieve greater batch to batch consistency and reduce batch to batch variation. The quality by design approach builds quality into the manufacturing process by designing and controlling the critical parameters. It provides in between checkpoint for in process evaluation of the product so that the root case analysis is easy. Conclusion. Quality by design is emerging as an important element providing significant for quality improvement. The objective of quality by design method in pharmaceutical product development is to formulate a reliable method that gives assurance of the ultimate quality and efficiency of the product and minimize batch to batch variation. Implementation of quality by design at material and processing method will provide a quality-based, effective and robust product. Production improvement to manufacturers will significantly reduce batch failure and regularity. Bodies will have great confidence in the robust quality of product. Quality by design is an emerging as a promising scientific tool in quality affirmation in the pharmaceutical industries, which provides a safer operating range that assures or provides confidence for batch-to-batch consistency, quality, safety, and efficiency, and mitigates the lengthy step for scale-up post-approval changes. Quality by design successfully provides a layout or the path from the initial defining objective and finally successfully commercialize the product.